Explore menu allow us to browse the community's designs and find designs to reuse and adapt. Note that we can directly edit, or delete our designs, but these two options don't appear directly on the other designs. We can search for specific designs by writing on the search box. And we can also navigate through the pages of the list to find interesting designs. If we want to explore a concrete design, we can click on it and see its page. If we found that it's very interesting for us and we want to know more details about this design, we can click on the See Inside button. Note that here, in the case of our designs, it appears the Edit button. When we are inside, we have two options. First, we can just watch how it has been designed and come back to the Explore menu. And second, if we have decided to reuse and adapt this design, we can also click on the Save button, that in this case will act as a remix button. And then, a copy of this design will appear on the My Designs list, ready for being edited and used by us. Note that the system keeps the record of the reusing process and provides a tree, which is accessible through the Tree button of the Designs page, that it shows the original design and their remixes done by other users. Watch the next video to learn how to manage designs folders and generate community analytics.